So we'll do one more of these figure out the missing grade ones. So yeah, marking period 1, straight A. Marking period 2, A minus. Don't know this. And our goal for the guys, our goal as a final grade in the class is going to be, well, a B plus. Okay. An 88. Still keep the B plus. How bad can we do on the final and still keep a B plus in the class? Is what this question is really asking. So I write out my equation. Score times weight. So a score of 100 times 0.40, that's my 40% weight, plus score of 90 plus, times 0.40, that's 40% second marking period, plus my unknown score times 0.20, better equal 88. It's an equation. So let's clean up this side of the equation. So this becomes 40. This becomes 36. This becomes 0.2x. Now, we're solving for the grade on the final. Be kind of careful. We're doing similar problems here. Make sure you read the problem to see if there's any variations from what we've been practicing. That's going to equal 88. This is then 76 plus 0.2x. So I combine like terms. Subtract 76 from both sides.
That would be 12.
Leaves me 12. Divide by 0.2. All right, here we go. 12 divided by 0.2. Aha! We have a number that actually makes sense. So this student can get as low as a 60% on the final and still get out of the class with a B+. That's actually pretty encouraging. Now, there's two problems with this to remember, and this is now more of an editorial than a math lesson. An 88% on our GPA's essential gets figured as a 3.0, the same as an 81%, same as an 85%. So I just slid from a 4.0 to a 3.0. That might not be a good thing. That's relatively low for me, a D- on the final compared to all this A. If I can get maybe a 70 on the final, I can keep my A in the class. Which means I should take the final kind of seriously because I don't want to blow the 4.0 I've got going. Something to think about is that it's always easier to go down than to bring up. This student cannot afford to blow the final exam off, but they do have a little bit more wiggle room than our previous examples.